In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your account number and sort code on the Natwest mobile app. Whether you need it for setting up a direct debit or simply for your records, knowing where to locate these details can be really handy. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your smartphone and open the Natwest mobile app. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Logging in will bring you to the homepage or the main dashboard, where you'll find a summary of your accounts and recent transactions. Now, right on this homepage, you should see your account details prominently displayed. Look closely and you'll find your account number and sort code listed there. The account number is an 8-digit number, which is unique to your bank account. The sort code, on the other hand, is a 6-digit number and is specific to the branch where your account is held. If for any reason these numbers aren't immediately visible or you're having trouble locating them, don't worry. Simply tap on your account from the home page. This action will open up your full account details, providing a clear view of all your essential information, including your account number and sort code. Once you've got them, make sure to note these details down somewhere safe if you need to reference them later. And there you have it. That's how you can easily find your account number and sort code using the Natwest mobile app. With just a few taps, you can access all the information you need right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your experience a little smoother. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on navigating your mobile banking app efficiently.